Hi, boys and girls. We're going to continue on with our teen numbers today. I'm going to do a really quick little number talks, okay? All right, so we're going to be doing this all week until we finish up our teen numbers. I'm going to start at the board. We did 10 yesterday. We counted all the way to 10 and we filled up this 10 frame, didn't we? So now we're going to add another one, and this is going to be 11. And we're going to do another one, and that's going to be 12. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more is 11. Here's 11 tally marks. Now here's 11. This is a 10 stick and one more. Because I have not been to school to bring those 10 sticks home, I'm just going to show you with straws. Here's 10 and one more. 10 and one more is 11. Okay? And then if we do 12, and then we're going to do this in a minute. All right, and if we add another one, we're going to be at 12. So we're going to have 10, 11, 12. 10 tally marks and two more. 10, 11, 12. With the straws, it's going to be 10, 11, 12. 10 and two more. We're counting to 10, and then we go two more, right? And then here is our 10 frame. So let's go ahead and take a look at our 10 frame. We filled this one up. So we've got 10, and I'm going to put one more down here, 11. Let me use the marker, and this is how we write that. Look at, we have one bundle of 10. I'm going to circle that because this is what we're doing on the paper today. We've got one, oops, that's brown. That's okay, I'll just use it. All right, we've got one whole 10 frame filled up, and then we add one more. Okay, so I put this one right next to this one. But they mean totally different things, don't they? This one stands for one whole 10 frame filled up. It stands for my group of straws. This one over here, it just means one, just one more, 10 and one more. It would be like writing this, 10 over here plus one more over here equals 11. Okay, what if we add one more? Now we've got 10, one group of 10, and two more over here. 10 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. So when I write 12, I write 10 and two more. And with the straws, it would be 10, 11, 12. So the reason we teach it this way, the 10s and 1s, is because we don't want the kids to have to go, how many counters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We want them to know they can count to 10 or find 10 on a number line or hold up 10 fingers and then just do the two more. Okay, we're going to just stop at 12. We're going to come over here and do a couple pages in this packet again. And hang on, I want to very carefully move my tripod down so that what happens is if I bump it too hard, the whole video stops and goes to this little emergency mode and I have to start over again. I don't want to do that. I've had to do it plenty of times. Okay, we did 10 yesterday. I haven't colored it yet, but I will. Okay, so we're going to do 2 pages today. I don't think that's going to be too much because this will start getting easier, okay? So if I'm going to make, this is 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, and again, I would like you guys to just trace this. It's 10 and one more, and then I'll get another color. Trace it with about 3 colors, okay? And add something bright like this yellow here. 10 and one more is 11. Okay, I don't really care what color they use. We're not putting the 11 in a cup and shaking them and finding the different ways. We're just coloring the circle. So I really don't care what color. I've got red, so I got to fill up my whole 10 frame. And I'm coloring in the circles really nice. I'm not going like this, right? It's because I'm counting as I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys notice how I start at the bottom and go up? I started at the bottom and I go up. Now I'm going to start at the bottom again and go up. So I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to make 11, I'm going to have to use the other 10 frame, right? So I'm going to color this one on the bottom. Now with my pencil, what did we make? We have one whole group of 10 I will circle that whole group. The reason I circle it is like putting the rubber band around it, right? We've got one whole 10 frame filled up. And over here, we just have one single circle. Okay, here's 10s, one 10 frame, and one extra. And that's how we write 11. Now, when we write it, we would write the numbers close together, but we're separating it so you can see there's 10 and one more. Tally marks, just like yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I get to 5. Okay, I kind of hook them together with a slanted line. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with a slanted line. Now I want you to circle that because that shows a whole group of 10, and then that makes it easier because now we have 10 and one more, and then we stop. 10 and 1 is 11. Okay, we're going to draw 11 objects, but just like yesterday, I would prefer, okay, I would like it if you put them into rows of 5, just like they're in a 10 frame. Let's pretend like we have a 10 frame here, and I think I'm going to do some ornaments today. 1. You know what? Those kind of look like pumpkins. I better put a little circle, like a little string to hang them from the tree. And I can decorate them later, but yeah, I better decorate them later. That's going to take too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I start with 5. 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. Now, you know, the directions don't say to do this. This is just a good way for the kids to keep it organized, and it'll be easy when I see it. When you take a picture of this page and I see it, it'll be easy for me to see that you have a group of 10 because I see 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Then I don't have to sit there and try to count it. That would be hard for me to do when it's just a picture. Okay, I've got my group of 10 ornaments, and then I'm going to put one more down at the bottom. Okay, I don't need a frame. I just need 5 and 5 is 10, and one more down here. Okay, now I can go back and decorate them and color them. Now I'm going to use my ruler. I'm going to use my ruler, kind of like a number line. Now they start with 9, so I'm going to go all the way to 9. What comes after 9? 10. I'm going to write it. Okay, and 11's already there. What comes after 11? 12. Oh, guess what? I have to use the other side of the ruler because it's going to go up. So we started at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I need to write 13. I'll hold this up and I'll show you. Okay, here's 9. Once I get to 10, it's a pattern. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Now I have to say, this is one nice thing about kids doing this at home. If they're having trouble, parents can help them. When we do it at school, if they're having trouble, there's usually one teacher and 8 kids at the table. And so it's actually nice. You guys have a little one-on-one at home. Now I can color this cute little ducky and a little pail if I want to. Coloring is optional except for here. That's important to color. Now I'm going to move on to 12, okay? Shouldn't take me too long. Well, I've got a purple here. Let's do purple. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I colored the whole entire 10 frame. I'm going to go ahead and circle it with this crayon. I'm going to go around it with a crayon. There's 10, and then only 2 over here because I got 10 and 1 is 11, and one more is 12. Got 10. One whole 10 frame is filled up. 10 and 2 more. So I put the 1 10 frame. Don't put 1 0 here. There's not 10 10 frames. There's 1 10 frame plus 2 more. Okay, tally marks. We're going to make our 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then I'm going to circle them because that's a group of 10. And 11, 12. Okay, now, and again, when you guys take a picture of the page, if you have this circle, then it's easier for me to see, easier for me to check it so I don't have to sit there and count them. 10, 11, 12, right? Draw 12 objects. Thinking of something Christmassy. How about Santa hats? That's a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me put the little fuzzy ball on the top. And then underneath it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll color those in later. So I've got my 10. So whenever we're on these team numbers, we've got to start with 10. And then 11. I can put 1 down here. And I'll put another one down here, 12. Okay, I forgot to tell you to trace this 3 times, whatever colors you want. Today I'm going to use the pink and the purple and the magenta. That'll be pretty, huh? Pink, purple, and magenta. You can color the little duck if you want. You can color the Christmas hats if you want. Last thing is putting the numbers in order. And this time they're going to start on 10. So I look at my ruler or number line or the back of your folder. Okay, I'll show you again in case you missed it yesterday. You got a whole number line here on the back of this red folder. You might have to search for it because there's other things in here too. Okay, so that's a good place to find a number line. All right, but my ruler works great. I'm going to go to 10. The next number is 11. 12's already there. 13, 14, 15. So they're giving us, we're writing to 12, which is a number we're on, and they're making us do a few more, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here's the pattern. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. The 1 stands for 10, and then I count 1 more than 10, 2 more than 10, 3 more than 10, 4, and 5. Okay, that's good, and that is it for today. We're going to do 2 more pages tomorrow.